Mark,
Hi, Wendy.
what have you got for us today?
I want to show everybody all the components that are going to be coming with this is like the second part of the SMART-duino shipment. All our US domestic orders got their SMART-duinos in 2 shipments, are getting their SMART-duinos in 2 shipments. And our foreign, everybody outside the US is going to get it in 1 shipment. It just turned out to be way too expensive to do that in 2 shipments. So, let me show you all the bits and pieces. I'll go right through them real quickly. Just look at this first. This stack. This is 1,000 neodymium rare earth metal magnets that we use as a sensor. I just love that. So this is the first part. These are the spacers that sort of make up the erector set part of your SMART-duino. These pieces are what connect one box to another through the holes that normally make up a box, and these screws go in them. And those little black riv nuts also go through in here, but for the thicker pieces of cardboard we thought we needed some larger screws. These are not metric, they're imperial screws. I think they're 832s. These right here, everybody's going to get some of these funny little cards, and these cards actually hold the little magnets. They fit inside the holes just like that. Cool. And they fit right over the pulley part. When you run a SMART-duino, especially if you're doing side to side, you're going to take off the handle, and there are little teeth on the edge of here so you can adjust which frame that you're landing on. So this gets reassembled with a magnet or 2 magnets, or perhaps 3 or 4 magnets in here. I wouldn't go more than 3 or 4 magnets. As you can see, probably what most people are going to do is put 1 magnet in. The second thing people are probably going to do is put 2 magnets in here. I doubt they're going to do 4 or 3, but we set up these holes so that you have a choice. Okay, so the next thing down the line is this is the little package with magnets in it. And a note of caution about these magnets: they're really strong. Under no circumstances should they ever be swallowed or handled by kids.
What's going to happen if you swallow them?
Well, if you swallow them separately, then they could find each other on 2 other sides of your intestines and cause a really terrible ulcer. So
I think that would require surgery, wouldn't it?
Yes.
Okay.
So these here are Hall effect sensors. They sense magnetic fields, and that's how we do position sensing with your SMART-duino. And they have 3 leads on them: 5 volts, ground, and sense. And you're seeing 2 different setups. They'll just like this, they'll plug into those connectors. But if you're a little bit more advanced, you'll want to put them on a piece of header to make a real positive connection.
And what are they for with the magnets?
These sense magnetic fields, so when the pulley spins past it, see, this will be sitting in the box, and when this pulley goes past it, it will sense that it's on the frame you're interested in. And then you might have a command to stop or to start counting or something like that.
Gotcha.
And this is where all the commands are coming from. This is the Arduino Pro Micro. This is Arduino compatible circuit. Has a what is called a micro USB connector there, and this plugs into the FlipBooKit SMART-duino card, and it's got some header on it just like that. And this is just really great to have. If you want an Arduino, this is a great one to get. And it plugs right into the board just like this.
Wow, that's great.
And this is the SMART-duino board. There are 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 motor control outputs. These cute little MOSFETs are doing that. And this is where the battery power goes to. And then there's 8 sensor inputs. And this is just a plain good development board. So if you want to do sensing or motor control, you really have a lot of latitude with this board. It's a really handy board. I think developers are going to love this thing.
Oh.
So anyway, this is what it looks like when it's inside, sort of attached to a FlipBooKit. This is sort of a prototype arrangement here. And you can see the motor connectors are plugged in here. We didn't get polarized plugs, but on all of them, if you see there's a little red dot here, all the terminals that are sort of facing our FlipBooKit logo are the 5-volt ones. So if you were plugging a motor in, you would put the red side on there. And if you were plugging a sensor in, you would put the red side there.
Cool.
And that is the SMART-duino circuit. And then this is a vertical arrangement, just to show you that you can do anything you want with this thing. I'm sure people are going to make matrices and crazy shapes, but so this is cascading from top to bottom.
And those little pieces of blue tape are...
I was playing with it and just seeing which frame it was landing on.
So the cards that we're going to be giving them will work with a horizontal format, is that right?
Right. So you guys are going to get a horse running from left to right. But the reason I'm showing you this is just to remind you that you could do anything with this. You know, you can make them zigzag if you want to.
Oh, I can't wait to see what people are going to build with these.
Yeah, me too. It'll be a lot of fun. Anyway, that's the SMART-duino update. And,
hey, why don't we put the horse cards in and show them what that's going to look like?
You'll do that with me right now?
Yeah, but I've got to go finish them. So
okay,
all right. I'll
reconfigure this thing. We'll see you guys later, and we'll see what it looks like.
Great. Okay, see you soon.
All right.
Hi, Mark.
Hi, Wendy.
I see that you put the horses together.
We did. It's working great.
Wow.
This is the first SMART-duino all production parts, and
this is what they're going to get.
this is what
they can build. That's what we give them.
happened with all that backer support. We got a really beautiful product to sell and share with everybody.
Oh, that's great. Congratulations, Mark. I'm excited for everybody to get these.
Me too.